Busy Supreme Court day. It is just announced that the Supreme Court has rejected the request by Lindsey Graham to delay the execution of the subpoena that will compel him to testify before a Georgia grand jury for election meddling. That subpoena had been placed on hold the other day after Lindsey Graham had filed an emergency injunction asking Justice Thomas to put it on hold. Justice Thomas had issued an administrative stay, which we had said was simply a temporary hold button while the Supreme Court would consider the actual application. Well, that answer to the actual application came, and it's a big no for Lindsey Graham, who will now have to answer all the questions that the Georgia grand jury will ask him. As a matter of reference, that administrative stay that Justice Thomas issued in favor of Lindsey Graham, as we said, was just temporary. It's the same type of administrative stay that Justice Roberts issued with regards to the order asking the Department of Treasury to release Trump's tax records. However, in the case of Lindsey Graham, the Supreme Court has returned a decision regarding whether or not they'll hear the case. They said, no, we will not hear the case. And therefore, that's the last legal stop for Lindsey Graham. That subpoena is now fully executive, and he will have to answer before the Georgia grand jury. As always, make sure you follow me, because if there's any updates regarding this or anything else, you'll be the first to know.